Hey guys, Miss G here. So I've got a lot on the screen today and I want to go through with what you're seeing here, and it's a lot to take in. So I'll start with the simple stuff. First, we've got some layouts here of different images of bathroom floor plans. That's what we're going to be working on today. And I told you in a previous video I stood on a chair and took a picture of my bathroom. Don't laugh, the drywall's not done. I'll eventually get around to that, but that's neither here nor there. I've got the plans here where I've measured it. Well, not plans really, just the measurements. And I've got my graph paper handy and my scale ruler. I'm going to show you how to make a plan in fast forward motion. But first we'll start off over here. So I've got some different plans here because I don't think anybody has a bathroom this small. Maybe you do. Maybe you've got some unfinished drywall too. Cool. So I'm going to start drawing up my plan. So when I went over and I measured it out on my teeny little bathroom, which is underneath a flight of stairs, in case you're wondering why it's so small, is, and I'll bring this up in case it's not focused, is 3 feet wide and 8 feet long. My shower is 3 foot by 3 foot. The lavatory is a whopping 18 inches by 16.5 inches. And then I've got the measurements for the water closet to make it easier for me to draw. But I'll get into that. So, to move this along, we're going to draw really fast. Because nobody, really wants to watch a video forever. So, I've got the scale ruler. We showed you how to use that. Got it set to my 10. And I'll go over here. And if you want, you can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Find your 8 and lay it out. If you look on here, find the little 8. Lay that out on here. Put the 8 there. Go from there. Find your box. Make sure you got 3 up so you have room. And we'll just draw out your box. And so I've got the start of my floor plan. So to save you guys the excitement of me drawing box, because that's really not that exciting. Ta-da, box. Look at that. Cool. So I've got the floor plan of my bathroom. Doesn't look really good. And I want to draw my shower. So I told you I got the measurements for it. And I use my nifty little string here to measure it out. So my shower is 3 foot by 3 foot. Well, it's 3 foot wide and 3 foot wide. I can just map that out. I can go right here and take out a little line it up, and shower. Now, we can see in my photo there, it's got a drain. So, drain is on a shower. It's going to be about 3 inches in diameter. Well, one of our little squares is 3 inches, so if you figure out half and half, half and half, look, you can draw a circle. Cool. We found the shower. Nothing more complicated than that. And, try to get the camera to focus. It's not like I'm moving under it. Hey, you. But, alright, so, going back over here, bring out my measurements again. And my lavatory, which is your sink, guys, in case you were wondering, lavatory is your sink, is 18 by 16. Well, focus on the paper. Foolish thing. I'm not that great at recordings, guys. Sorry, you have to endure. Half of 3 feet is a foot and a half, 18 inches. So the lavatory is going to come out here. And my water closet, once again, measurements, 18 inches. And you can see, and I'll move the mouse so you guys know, I'll bring the mouse over here. You look up here on your drawing. I've got the measurements up here on the screen. You'll see 18 inches is the width of your water closet. Water closet is your toilet, guys. 18 inches here. Now, typically in a full bath assembly, sometimes you get a 36-inch sink and lavatory. Sometimes you get a 30-inch. I mean, sometimes if you got no space like me, you get the little teeny thing. It's your bathroom. You can draw, a huge one. I'm not telling you have to draw mine. I'm not telling you what's on the screen. I've thrown up some examples here. This one's got a bathtub. It's 5 feet wide. That's a typical measurement. 60 inches is 5 feet wide. This one here, it's got it turned sideways, so it's still going to be a 5-foot bathtub, but it's turned sideways. This one's got 2 sinks. I mean, this one you can make up the measurement for the sink. You know, rock it out, guys. This one I gave you 36 by 36, and you got 2 feet to walk past it. That's a minimum. You got to be able to get the door open. And the spaces between it, they're usually 8 feet long. So, I mean, but here we got one, 8 feet, and, you know, just run with it, guys. If you want to draw an L-shaped bathroom, you know, go for it. I'm not going to judge. It's got to have a bathtub or a shower. It's got to have a water closet. It's got to have a sink. Draw me something. Put those 3 things in it. Lavatory or sink. Same name, different name. Water closet and a bathtub or a shower. So I've got that far on here. So I've got some finished plans I'll show you. But first I'm going to show you how to get this in here. I've got the 18 inches marked out. Mine's 16 inches. So there's 1 foot. That's 12 inches. So it's 3, 6, 9, 12. And then, you know, I've got an odd measurement here. So, I mean 12. And then you can go up to 15 and 16 and a half. I'm just going to like eyeball it. Guys, this isn't, you know, rocket science. Do what you will. And just draw your line until you hit that line. Line it up. Turn it around. I've got some finished plans here that I'll show you, but I'm going to give you some tips on your water closet if you want to draw it really pretty. If you don't, you can draw boxes. So on mine, I took measurements, and you can't see it, but my water closet is set off the wall about 2.5 inches because I had a beam underneath it. I built and installed this, but usually they're about an inch and a half off the wall. So mine's 30. The end of the water closet, you can't see me going to the screen, so I'll use the mouse. Hey. The end of this is 31 inches from the wall. Typically, they're about 30 from the end of it all the way to the wall. So that's a common measurement. That gives you a point. So if you look here on my screen, or on the paper, from here, there's 24, 30. It would be right about here. So that's two of the big blocks and 2 more. It would be the end of a water closet on a normal scenario. So that gives you something to go by. So, got this tank. They're usually 9 inches. You want to go real basic, go for it. We say 30 inches, go here. The widest point of your water closet is going to be 14. That's your middle. So we figured out the center is here. The widest part's 14. Cool. So, it's about right here. So there's 9. And there, and just go egg. Look at that. Ta-da! Done. Not real difficult. And if you want to get fancy, well, you got to at least put a drain. So draw a circle, draw a square if yours is a square. I mean, that drain is way too big, but hey, you did something. And you have done what you needed to do. Alright, so the finished floor plan. Now guys, I took more time to draw this up. So, like I said, I got a little fancy, put the curves in, matched my shower and all that fun stuff. Drew the faucet. I drew it to scale. It's 2.5 inches off the wall. I got the door in there. Yay. Door. Yeah, I have one of those itty bitty doors you gotta turn sideways to get in. It's okay. Put up a door, didn't do the draw. Now, I got one here with a bathtub. Door on the end. No, I don't have this bathroom. I've only got one. It'd be nice. Draw what you will, guys. Draw what you will. Draw anything you want. The important part is the piping. So, now you got to see some floor plans. There's some on your screen. Rewind the video. Replay the video. Draw up what's on the screen. Draw what's in your mind. Draw your dream bathroom. Draw your neighbor's bathroom. Don't go knock on their door though. But draw up something. The double sink here is going to provide more complications when piping it up, because that's what you're doing next. We're going to put our pipe fittings on here, and then we're going to build it. Don't think you're going to be drawing more pipe first. We're going to build it first, and then you draw where you set the pipe. So don't think that this is your, oh God, we're going to be drawing forever. This is it. You just need something to lay your pipe on to build. So don't get all panicked out. She's gonna have a straw in forever. No, you just need something to sit your pipe on to build. And this is where we'll go from here. That's it. So you got the big bathroom with the bathtub here in case you got one of those. If you got, you know, Harry Potter style under the stairs like me, you go with a little thing. Maybe you got the tall shower with actual room to move around. Maybe you got the one with a window. I mean, people could, you know, look in. That's creepy, but maybe you got a window. Who knows? You don't have to submit a picture of your bathroom. I don't want pictures of your bathroom. What I'm looking for is the picture you're drawing. Draw it up. I mean, I need to see a picture of the drawing you make. That's what I'm looking for right here. So, go for it, guys. Take a stab at it. Sketch it. It can be, you know, beautiful. It can be whatever you make it. Alright, guys. Have fun.